Alright, real talk. Quantum physics. Sounds like one of those things only geniuses in lab coats can understand, right? Particles, waves, teleportation, and Einstein saying spooky action at a distance? Bro, is this science or Stranger Things? But don't worry. Today I'm gonna break it down like we're just chilling over coffee. By the end of this video, you'll be the one explaining quantum physics at your next party. Let's go. Part 1. What is quantum physics? Okay, so here's the deal. Quantum physics is basically the science of the tiniest things in the universe, like electrons, photons, atoms, stuff you can't see, but that literally builds everything around you. Now, classical physics, like Newton's stuff, and that works for big things. Drop a ball, it falls. Predictable. Done. But in the quantum world, nothing is predictable. Things don't even seem real until you look at them. Particles can disappear, reappear, or be in multiple places at once. It's like reality has glitches. Part 2. Wave-particle duality. Let's talk about light. Is it a wave? Is it a particle? Science says both at the same time. It's called wave-particle duality, and it's one of the weirdest things ever. So imagine this. You try to watch light closely and boom, it behaves like a particle. But the moment you stop observing, it turns into a wave. Like it's saying, don't look at me, I'm shy. Basically, light is that friend who changes their vibe depending on the room. Part 3. Uncertainty Principle. Now here's where things get even stranger. Ever heard of Heisenberg's Uncertainty Principle? It says, you can't know a particle's exact position and speed at the same time. The more precisely you know one, the less you know the other. So it's like trying to take a perfect photo of a fast-moving car. If you get the speed, the image is blurry. If you get the image, you miss the speed. In quantum physics, it's all about probability, not certainty. Part 4. Entanglement. The spooky stuff. Okay, now this one's my favorite, quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles are created together, kind of like twins. Now separate them, one on Earth, the other on Mars. Do something to one and the other instantly reacts. No delay, no connection, just boom, synced. Einstein literally called it spooky action at a distance. It's like the universe has some secret wireless communication system that science still doesn't fully understand. Part 5. Why does this matter? Cool science, sure, but what's the point? Well, here's where it gets real. Quantum computers could solve problems in seconds that would take today's fastest supercomputers years. Quantum cryptography could make your online data basically unhackable. MRIs, lasers, solar panels, all made possible thanks to quantum mechanics. So yeah, quantum physics isn't just theory. It's the future, and honestly the present too. Quantum physics may sound complicated, but once you get the vibe, it's actually mind-blowing. It's like nature's secret code, and we're just beginning to learn how to read it. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more cool science content, and let me know in the comments. Which quantum concept should we break down next? Should we dive into Schrödinger's cat, quantum tunneling, or maybe the multiverse? Let me know below. And remember, the universe is weirder than you think, and way cooler than you imagined.